Today we are testing Enter Pro, which is the sponsor of this video, an AI dev agent for building professional apps, agents and products through natural language. This is especially interesting for solo founders and small businesses who want to build, launch and run real product without need a full development team. One person, one enter, one company. Let's go in. So first go on enter.converge.ai here with an overview about the tool. Here you have your chat box where you can enter your prompts. You can upload files like documents, PDFs or images. You have a plan mode where you can first plan your desired website or app, which is cost efficient. And you can also enable skills. If you look at it, we have skills like a front-end design, prompt optimizer, skill creator to automatically create custom skills or editing existing ones. You have a ton of more skills here available like analytics, brand story, campaign plan, code review, finance expert and so much more. On the bottom here you have some templates ready to use for your desired web page. You have elegant ones or more visual ones here. In our case we want this template here, a brutalist retro snack shop for an e-commerce storefront selling, and we want to build a web shop for wooden handmade products with Stripe integration as payment and a full admin dashboard with analytics. So we have this prompt of a detailed architectural plan for making a handmade wooden shop, including product management, customer accounts, shopping cart logic, Stripe payment flow, order database, admin dashboard, and all what we need, front-end and back-end. So we just hit enter. Enter is now analyzing our prompt, gathering all information he needs, generating a plan for us, and asking us some questions like this one: which currency and shipping regions does the shop serve? We want Europe only. How should product variants be handled? We have handmade wooden products, so there are no variants. Each product is unique. Which admin features are most important to you? We want just a revenue order analytics dashboard, and we want a Stripe checkout. So Enter Pro goes further by combining front-end, back-end, database, authentication, AI features, cloud setup, payments and analytics in one platform. No need to switching between tools, and the plan mode helps us to structure bigger builds before code generations even starts. So it's much more cost efficient to make this. And as you can see, seconds later we have a full architectural plan. So a backend with Enter Cloud, we have the database scheme, we have the different tables, we have the frontend with React, White and TypeScript, we have the different sites like a homepage, shop page, cart page, the admin things like a dashboard, products, orders, some more technical things like a global state, the component tree, the analytics events here, some file modification summaries, new files, the implementation order for Enter to actually build our website, and on the end a verification checklist for the AI. So we just enter the plan and he automatically builds the website, the web page, and verifies it that it works well. So the easiest way to also use a template is just make a screenshot of your desired design, enter your plan here and hit enter, and Enter Pro will automatically generate your desired web page. Before we create the web page, we can also switch the models here like Claude 4.8 Opus, Gemini 3.5 Flash or Pro, or just let it on auto so Enter will decide which one fits the best. We hit enter and here is the final web page, and it's just astonishing. Look at this. We have our template design we wanted. If we scroll down a bit, we see our wooden handmade products. We have the currency euros for Europe. We have unique products here, very nice. He also implemented some test data so we can verify it. As you can see here, he created an admin and 3 customers. Let's try the customer first. Go on the login page, enter the credentials, sign in, and as you can see, Max Müller did already some orders here, like this order with 2 maple cutting boards and a desk organizer. It's already shipped, and a second order with a dining table and a floating shelf, and this one is delivered. Very nice. We can now go back to the front page, scroll down, let's add the shelf again. As you can see on the right, we have our cart. Very nice design, very modern, very elegant. Let's add another one like this one, wall art. We are now ready to check out as a customer. Just hit checkout. We have again a full order summary here, checkout, and as you can see we have our Stripe payment here with our orders, and the customer is ready to pay to us. Easy as that. Back at the web page of Woodcraft, we have also a full shop site where we have all products available. We have also some sorting things here. We can search for things like walnut, lamp, fully integrated web shop. If we now sign in as an admin, we have here an admin dashboard. Just click on it, and here you have full analytics about your web page. You have total revenue, total orders, paid orders, low stock products. On the bottom here, which orders are recently made, the top products. We can also manage our products here by adding new products, editing or delete some products. At the orders, we have a full overview about which orders are pending, paid, shipped, delivered, cancelled. We can also take actions if something is not working correctly here. So as you can see, it's not only front end, it's a full backend system, including a full admin dashboard for overview about your web shop, all done by one single prompt. With Enter Cloud, the platform feels much more like a full stack, database, authentication, edge functions, storage and payment integration. So instant separately configuring like Supabase, Firebase or others. I can keep building inside Enter Pro without switching tools. Other tools like V0, Bolt or Loveable are useful for fast prototypes, but Enter Pro is more focused on the full product with all systems you need for a full web shop or your e-commerce platform. Easy as that. If you liked Enter Pro, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.